All this is run on Dolly that I got from Etsy because Modbox does not make a Dolly yet. I'm sure they're coming out with one. Please, Klein, come out with one. But this one is from Etsy. At least they have a Dolly. Klein does not have a Dolly. I bought this Dolly off of Etsy. So I'm going to Klein headquarters here in a few weeks. And that's the first thing I'm going to ask him is, where's the Dolly? We need a Dolly. I mean, people in shops like I do, I work off of dollies. I don't need a two-wheel cart like contractors going around to different job sites and packing it in the back of their truck. Ask and you shall receive. This is a Klein tool with Modbox, four-wheel dolly, the one I've been waiting on forever. I have what I've been using in the shop. I've got two stacks of Modbox. One of them I bought a dolly like this from Etsy. The other one, I've got that blackout edition, the two-wheel, storage case with the little handle that you pull back. I have it backed against the wall, and whenever I need to get it out for anything, I got to wiggle this thing because you have to have room to tilt it back to get it to move. It's just a nightmare when it comes to shop use. This is what you need. You need a dolly. You just grab it and go. You can pull it around from project to project, room to room, whatever. That's what I want this for. Let's open it up. We'll take a look at it. We'll put it together. We'll see how it goes together. And then we'll see how it works by putting all our boxes on there. Hang on. So this is everything that comes in a box. You get this, and then you get this. This has got to be the wheels, and its instruction manual. These are polyurethane wheels, where most of the wheels are rubber, hard rubber, or plastic. We'll take a look at some of the other ones, but these are these nice polyurethane wheels, ball bearing spinners here. Now it looks like we got two of them with these caster locks. Okay, so what do you get? You get four wheels, polyurethane wheels, very nice. Two of them have the caster locks on there. That will go up front here. And these two will go in the back. And you get four of these thumb screws here. I'm assuming this is the way it goes. I'm not even going to look at I don't think it could go any other way. You don't even need any tools. This is just all done by hand. They slide. You see this bar here? This slides underneath the bar and these holes line up perfectly here. Let's spin her around. We'll get these other two on. I'm trying to figure out why this one is here, this bar here. Could it go either way? Yeah. Huh. Oh, I know what this is for. You can connect four of these together. When you connect them together, you don't want to have anything hanging over the sides. That's where you would put them on these interior portions here. Now, if you look at the back of the box here, you can see this. You can connect, look at this one right here. You can connect four of these together. So you could have just a full cube, tall cube of Modbox. We're not hooking anything together. So we're just going to put ours on the outside. Man, it could not get any easier than that. Get my Knipex twin grips here. Tighten them down a little. So that's it. Man, that was easy. They do make it easy. Now let's get this thing out and we will, let's look at the difference in the wheels. They call these easy roll wheels. I think it's just plastic. It may be a rubber, but I don't know if it is. It feels like plastic to me. Where this is your polyurethane wheel. Look how wide it is compared to this one. These wheels, they look like, the base looks about the same as far as your ball bearings. They look about the same. I'm interested in this lock to see. I hate the locks on these casters. You can't hardly operate them. I'm hoping this will be better. Let's get it out, see how the brake works, see how the wheels roll. We'll get this thing loaded up. Hold on. Okay, so I got this dolly down here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set these casters here so it won't slide around when I put these boxes on. Let's see how easy it is to unlock these. Oh yeah. Man, look how nice that is. I'm so used to that pack out that took. I used to have to get a hammer in here because you couldn't do it with tennis shoes. You had to have work boots on. You had to really stomp it. But this thing works great. Let's check out the brake here. It's not the best. In fact, I think the Milwaukee might have a better brake. But what I do like is these locks. God, they lock easy. And then you just hit the little tab and unlock it. Thank you, Klein, for that. That was my major gripe about the pack out. Okay, let me put my attachments on here. We'll kind of go through it and see how that thing rolls. This is my open little bin. This is a tool storage here. You got a rail up top where you could fit, different screwdrivers if you wanted to. You could put screwdrivers in here, whatever. I just have this little square, a knife, and a little holder for my Olight light. Over here, I'm going to put this magnetic rail here. On this magnetic rail, I typically keep a couple of screwdrivers handy. I got a knife. Then I keep one of these Klein carabiners here, locked here. Have another. This is a parts bin. It's covered. You could put it here if you wanted to. And I got the speaker here. I'm going to put it here. And I got my light. I'm going to put it here. So that's it. That's all I'm going to keep on here. I got more stuff, but that's all I'm going to keep on here. Now this is that Klein little mod box work table here for these mod boxes. I have done a video on this before. You just put it in. This goes right there. Now typically when I'm doing projects, I'll have everything right here. I'll have my cut list. I'll have everything I need written out. I can keep it here and just roll this around with all of my notes here. If I need to make notes, I can go ahead and make them here also. This thing is very handy. I love this little work table that goes on top of this mod box. Okay, so let's see how easy it rolls. I tell you, with these polyurethane wheels, yeah, look at that. I mean, I'm expecting big things. You don't know how long I've been waiting for this. Just runs like a dream. Let's take a look at the base here. There is something going on with this base I want to show you. Now, what's a little different with this one is, you see how it's off-centered? Most of them are centered, and you got maybe an inch on the front, an inch on the back. This one, as you can see here, you got about 4 inches hanging over in the front. I don't know what that's for, but I don't guess it's going to really hurt anything. Now, you see these? This is what I've been wanting. Wait a minute. Easy on. Lock solid, as you can tell. When you want to get it off, just press that button. Oh man, that's nice. There's a lot of them that don't do that. This thing here with these polyurethane wheels are really nice. They really roll nice. That's a mod box 4-wheel dolly. I'm going to really enjoy using this thing. I mean, it just rolls like a dream, as you can tell. These polyurethane wheels are unbelievable. The locking casters. This thing is going to come in very handy in the shop. I'm going to relegate that other one. I got the 2-wheeler for outside purposes. I'm keeping it in the garage. And whenever I'll go off-site to do any work, I'll use that. But for now, this is staying with me. We'll see you guys later.